Well, I did a live for like 40 minutes, but my phone shut off. So I'm going to do this real quick, let you know live's coming. I think it's my 7th live. But I think that is helping. But being out in the cold too, it's like 30 degrees. It does drain my battery fast. And I looked that up, it said it would. But anybody worried about your 40,000 hours? Or not 40,000, 4,000 hours. Really, it's not that bad. It's 11 hours per day if you break it all down. 70 to 80 hours per week. You should be able to do that with 500 people or 1,000, I think. Unless they're not consistent. It's like my family, no, I can't do it. My family is not consistent. But I did get some birds on. My video will load faster than that live. My lives take 14 to 20 hours to load. I don't know why. They said my signal, but I kind of don't believe that. Sun is out in Alabama, but only 30. And tonight it will be 17. So of course I'm worried about my birds. They need all that food to stay fat and warm tonight. So I got them fed. Oh yeah, the pond's fuller. I can see it down there. I don't know if you can. It's right past some trees. Gets real low if we don't get enough rain. It's full. So General is down in the sticks. Right there. He hears me. He hears me. Pretends he don't like my husband, but he hears me. Yeah, he does. Them old men act like they can't hear nothing. They can hear the cheese wrapper open. He heard me. Love y'all. Have a blessed day. Out here busting up ice.